Trying to get smooth lines in Adobe Illustrator, or do you draw with a keyboard and mouse? Well, today I'm going to teach you about pencil fidelity and why you should use it. When using the pencil tool, it could be tough to get smooth lines, so we need to check our pencil fidelity settings. We can do this by double clicking the pencil tool icon. When you do this, you're greeted with a bunch of options. The slider at the top represents how accurate or smooth our pencil strokes will be. The more accurate you want your strokes to be, we're going to choose the left-hand side of the slider. The smoother you want your lines to be, we'll choose the right-hand side of the slider. And if you want a fair amount of both, we could choose the middle of the slider. I make sure that our smooth tool is toggled down here by checking this box. By doing this, when we press Alt, our smooth tool will now be available. I like to make sure that edit selected paths is checked, and I have this within 2 pixels. You could also just use this as a warm-up to practice your drawing. I'll have it free on my website, chaesavage.com. Thank you for watching. I hope I was able to teach you something new today.